For this lesson, we are going to learn about one fewer. You will need work mat 4-5. You will need some counters. You will need a pencil and a crayon. So let's start by taking your pencil and putting your name on top of your paper. And we will talk about one fewer. So this is a toy room, and this child has 6 stuffed dinosaurs. So let's put 6 dinosaurs on the tens frame to show his 6 stuffed dinosaurs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, if he had one fewer than 6 dinosaurs, maybe he gave one of them away, how many would he have? So we're going to take one off to show one fewer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is less than 6. It is one less. Now with counters, it's easy to take one off, but when you're drawing them, you have to cross the one off that you removed. So if you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you would cross one off and it would show 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is one fewer than 6. Now this child is counting his sports equipment. He has 4 bats. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are his 4 bats. 1, 2, 3, 4. His friend has one fewer or one less bat than he does. How many bats does his friend have? Well, I have to take one off, and then I'll cross it out to show. And he would have 1, 2, 3. There's 1, 2, 3. 3 is one less than 4. Now in this playroom, we're counting teddy bears. This child has 9 teddy bears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. She has one fewer stuffed dinosaurs than she has teddy bears. One fewer. So how many stuffed dinosaurs does she have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And remember, when we're showing fewer with a picture, we have to cross one out because we can't just take it away like we can with our counters. So 8 is one fewer than 9. So this child has footballs. She has 6 footballs. Can you put 6 counters on to show her 6 footballs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. She has 6 footballs. She has one less hat than she has footballs, one fewer hat. So you're going to show how many hats does she have? Well, one fewer, so I'm going to take it off. Or if I was drawing a picture, I would cross it out. And now she has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hats. 5 is one fewer than 6. Okay. So turn your paper over. And here we are going to use counters to help us draw. So in this picture, they have 8. So let's put on 8 counters. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to trace the 8, make an S and close the gate. That's how you make the number 8. And now we want to draw one fewer than 8 over here. So if I was drawing one fewer, I would take one off, or I could cross one out, and I would have how many left? If you crossed one out, you can see it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or you could use your counters and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So they drew 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is one fewer than 8, or one less than 8. All right, so let's count here. 1, 2, 3. And you write 3. And here I want to show what is one fewer than 3. So I could use counters. You can use counters. You take one off. It would be 1, 2. You could also have crossed one out, and you would see that there were 1, 2 left. So we're going to draw 2 counters over here. And write the number 2. 2 is one fewer than 3. All right, now we are going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cups. What is one fewer than 10? So I could get 10 counters or use 10 fingers and put one down and see how many are left. What's one fewer? Or I could cross one out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Make a head and make a spine. That's how you make the number 9. 9 is one fewer than 10. Now we need to use our crayon to draw 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, so the last one. Here's some balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balls. A head, a neck, and a nice round tummy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balls. Now, what would one fewer be? I'm going to use my counters here too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then if I have one fewer, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is one fewer than 5. Now let's go back to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is one more than 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if I have 5, 6 is one more. 4 is one less or one fewer. And actually 5 is one fewer than 6. It's like counting backwards. 6, 5, 4. You see a pattern? What would come next? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Can you do it with your fingers? 6, and one less. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. That's one fewer every time. Nice job.